Hey there everybody, I am so excited to introduce you to the September products that are new to the Elle Studio shop. First off, let's take a look at the brand new September exclusive kit. Now September is a month where we're kind of transitioning to fall, and so this kit has a great kind of Indian summer, beginning of fall feel to it. So you'll see some of these nice warmer tones mixed in with these deep blue and teals, which I really love. Here are the September die cuts, and you'll see lots of kind of phrases, some labels, and some embellishment pieces, which I really love. So really like those. I love the 4x6 tags this month. This one is probably my favorite with that beautiful plaid. Then you have these really pretty stitched hearts that kind of scream fall. And then there's this awesome ledger. I love a teal ledger. Makes me so happy. So there's our 4x6s. Then let's check out our 3x4s. So you have This Made Me Smile, Here and Now. A nice green pattern. I love patterns because you can put your own embellishment in the center and kind of make your own tag. Good Times. Family. This beautiful blue. Just love the mix of warm hues and cool hues this month. Remember This. Feeling So Grateful. You got some numbers here. This plaid is gorgeous too. I love me a good plaid. Evidence of Autumn. Super excited to live in a place that has autumn this year, so I'll probably be able to use that tag, which I wouldn't have been able to do before. Here's the Story. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Love those colors together. Utensils. Nice tab tag. And Let's Eat. Super fun. So that is the September monthly kit. If you love it as much as I do and are interested, you can start a subscription with this kit. It's cancelable at any time, and you get lots of awesome perks, like you get to bundle your shipping, you get exclusive discounts. So it's a really great idea for $9.99 a month to just start a subscription, and you can find the link to that in my video notes. Now let's check out the other goodies that coordinate with the kit. Okay, every month there are labels that coordinate with the monthly kit, and this is the month of September, so you have little hearts in them and you have large and small all on one sheet. So these are super usable for everything. Super excited about this, the Autumn Days 6x8.5 inch paper stack. Really love this size, especially for doing layouts for traveler's notebooks. You can cut them down to fit into pockets. There's that amazing plaid. Love this fun pattern, that geometric kind of pattern. A beautiful yellow ledger. An awesome wood grain. Love that. A really pretty floral. It's like a leaf pattern with hearts. A gorgeous red. It's like a deep crimson kind of color. A grid, which Ellie is so good at. Love me her grids. That awesome multicolor stripe. Ooh, black and white. Love that one. Perfect for Halloween. And speaking of Halloween, that one would be great too. A gray heart. And I love this pattern. I actually bought a rug in this pattern for our new house, and that beautiful blue color. So take a look at those patterns. Aren't they just gorgeous? Super excited about this. This is Autumn Days 6x8.5 inch paper stack. Let's take a look at the This Is Us sticker. So all those great colors that you have in the kit this month, all on phrase stickers. So pretty awesome, and I love how they're curved at the ends too. Okay, let's go to some chipboard. These are the cozy chipboard stickers, and they are just beautiful. Let me just open this pack so maybe you can get a better idea of what these look like. But they are really gorgeous. I love that all of Ellie's chipboard stickers are matte, so they're easy to write on even if you don't have a permanent marker. They're just gorgeous. The colors fit so perfectly with the monthly kit. I love this rainbow. I love the leaves. You can add your dates in here. Fabulous. Just love this chipboard sticker set and can't wait to use that. Now let's take a look at some new puffy rainbow stickers because we had some earlier this year. I think it was March. And those were like so popular. But look at the colors on these. So they're a similar design, like kind of wonky shapes, but now we have some really cool stars. And we have these like deeper hues found in the rainbows, which I just love. Super excited about those. Okay, if you need an alpha this month, look at this. Earlier this year we had a teal acetate alpha. I'll just pull out a few here for you. Now we have a navy. So I am super pumped about this. Let's see, that's a G. Had to get that the right way around. And there's an 8, so there's numbers and letters here. And these are just gonna get used like crazy in my projects. Love them. All right, this is the home wood veneer. Look at it, how pretty is that? It has a little heart in the middle. Super love that. Then we have, I won't take these out, but the stitched heart wood veneers. Aren't those super cute? Let's get into the stamps. So, we have the Grateful stamp. I'm going to take this out so you don't see any glare here. If I can get it out. Oh, it just doesn't want to come. There we go. Okay, so I love this font so much. It's a very timeless font. You have feeling so grateful, good times together with you, enjoying these little moments, currently loving this, fun and special moments captured. Love you always and forever, thankful for this moment. Let's eat, that was so good. This was so good. Count it all joy and love this smile. So this set has so many great phrases to use on anything, scrapbook layouts, pocket pages, and traveler's notebooks. Or a card, because love you always and forever could be perfect. Feeling so grateful could be another great card sentiment. Okay, you saw those stitched hearts in the wood veneer. Now let's take a look at the My Heart stamp that has all of those stitched hearts that you can use with any ink color that you have. And you can add these little sentiments. So filled with joy, this open heart, which I love, thankful. My heart, this story, lots of love, love us, love you, you plus me. So you have solid and stitched hearts. Now, I'm really excited about this. To go along with the My Heart stamp, we have the My Heart metal die. So you have stitched hearts, 3 sizes, and regular hearts, 3 sizes, just like with the stamp. So definitely something you need if you love the My Heart stamp. You want to cut those babies out really quickly, grab that My Heart die. Thanks so much for watching as I unbox all of the brand new Elle Studio September 2020 goodies. I hope you'll check out all of the products that I've shown you today at the link in my video notes while supplies last, and these are sure to be popular. Like I said before, don't forget to check out the subscription options. There are so many perks, and it's cancelable at any time. So be sure to check that out and join the subscription. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your brand new Elle Studio goodies.